Hi, I'm David Muerle with Coldwell Banker Kappel Gateway. It's almost the end of summer, so I'm just dressed casually today. And I want to talk a little bit about getting a loan, because I just had a real blow up with a client who got really upset because they felt they were quoted one rate and the lender says, no, I didn't quote you that rate. Well, the best way to avoid that is you get it in writing. In fact, the law requires that you receive the quote in writing within 3 days of your application. So there should be no confusion at all as to what your rate is. But I also want to talk a little bit about rate because on the loan disclosure, it tells you a lot about the different things you need to know. Like the rate is just one of the many elements you need to know about. You also need to know what your payment's going to be, and you need to know what your closing costs are going to be. Because you can have $10,000 in closing costs with one rate and zero closing costs with another rate. So the lender can actually raise the interest rate and cover your closing costs. So you need to have a discussion with your lender as to what makes more sense for you. If it's going to be a short-term loan, well, having the lender pay all your closing costs is a really good idea. If you're definitely going to keep the loan for 10 or 15 years, maybe paying your own closing costs is a good idea. So on the loan disclosure, it's going to give you the interest rate right here at the top. It's going to show you what your projected payments are, and it's going to show you what your closing costs are. So take a look at that and make sure you're happy with the loan before you commit to a property, so that you're happy with the transaction. Thank you. I'm David Muerle with Coldwell Banker Kappel Gateway. Call me with your real estate needs. Thank you.